Hi, my name's Eleanor Ferrand and I am a singer and a songwriter.
My name is David Key Thomas.
I'm Sasha Antoine. I'm 18 in my first year of Goldsmiths University studying popular music.
So I'm Bia Damick. I'm the founder of a global music PR company called Liberty Music.
I'm a mother and I'm a musician, and just that is an unusual subject matter, and I feel like it's an important one.
I'm a producer, composer, songwriter, singer, bassist, guitarist, pianist, drummer.
I'm also mother to a 16-month-old little girl called Etta.
It's an issue that I've obviously heard of before, being a woman, and then obviously I've heard of issues within the music industry, but it's not something that I had paired together. So when I heard about it, I was quite surprised, and it really made me think, and I think that's one of the reasons I really connected with the project.
More and more women are getting into music, so that question and that issue is an important one to explore.
I'm interested in this project because I haven't done anything like it before. It's interesting to see how, as we age, and obviously our gender kind of affects how we work with the industry. And I'd like to see from someone else's perspective, because even from my perspective it's pretty difficult.
If we can work together to make the industry a more inclusive place than it already is, I think that's like one of the best things you can do. So.